Welcome. This is Waec year 2020 test of oral past question number 11. We are using the same instruction that we use in answering question number 10. That is, we should look for a word among the options provided that contains the same vowel sound as in the given word, particularly the underlined letters. Then the underlined letters in this word is letter E, A, and R. So letter E, A, and R are underlined, and this word is pronounced as beer. By its international phonetic transcription, it is pronounced as beer. So this is the transcription. So let us transcribe other words. Option A is pronounced as E, but people pronounce this word generally as A, so it is pronounced as E. The option B, it is pronounced as G. As people say yeah, is G. So the G sound is replaced by the Y letter is replaced by the G sound. The option C is pronounced as first, 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 first. That is fear. That is what we have here is fear. So option D is pronounced as pie, pie. So by this transcription, option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.